All right, we're out here in beautiful San Diego working with some clients, and I wanted to talk about something before we roll through our kata practice for today. I want to talk about the most important principle in martial arts. It is the same principle in nature. When a wave comes in with force and aggression, it comes in and the shore absorbs that force and tosses it back out. Absorbs that force, tosses it back out. Just like when there's a piece of bamboo, a heavy wind blows, it bends until the strength is gone, and then it comes back. Bends, comes back. Same as a leaf. A leaf is in the wind. By itself, the wind is too strong, but the leaf is shaped in perfect form to distribute the wind across it and bend and come back to its form. So we're going to use that same principle all the way through the kata, but we're going to use it with breath and movement. And our hips are working like a pendulum. So come here, Alexander, let's demonstrate to that. So we stand here, right here, all right? So we get in our stance here, we bring our hands up and we connect them, all right? So you push, and I pull at the end. I push, you let me push all the way through like a wave, you absorb it. I'm weak now. Now you could pull me forward, or you push me back. Push, pull. Breathe, inhale, exhale. Now let's move around a little bit. Get sharp. Come on. Turn it 360 degrees. Be sharp. Keep the head on top of the hips. Hips on top of the feet. Just a pendulum, back and forth. Hips drop down, up, like a wave. Keep the head up. Breathe. Feet on the ground, flow with it, move with it.